Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss basic mathematics for physics. Mathematics is very useful to understand science, especially physics. So, mathematics is also developed along with physics. Students, now we will start trigonometry. Trigonometry. Angle. What is angle? First, what is angle? It is the measure of amount of rotation from one side of angle to other side. That means point O, A. This is one side. OB other side. So here suppose this ray is rotate from one side of angle to other side. It is said to be angle. This is the angle. So here the angle, is it positive angle or negative angle? The angles formed by anti-clockwise rotation are taken as positive. That means angle AOB is equal to theta. But so here, suppose here angle BAO is equal to minus theta. Anti-clockwise rotation taken as positive. Clockwise rotation taken as negative. So then, students, suppose for example, here this is the one point O, A. This is B. So it is rotate from this side to this side. At what angle? Alpha. What is total angle described? Total angle described is equal to, it is rotate anti-clockwise direction. That's why it is positive alpha. Then, sir, O, A. This is B. It is rotate from this side to complete rotation and like this. So here what is the total angle described? Total angle described is equal to, if it is complete a rotation, starting here, if complete a rotation 360 degrees, extra is this angle, alpha, 360 degrees plus alpha, 360 degrees plus alpha. Very good. Then next one students. Then suppose this is the OA. It is rotate like this, making an angle beta. So here this is clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation? Clockwise rotation. This is anti-clockwise direction. Here clockwise rotation, angle, total angle described is equal to minus beta. This is the angle. Then measurement of angles. Next, measurement of angles. O, A, this is B. This is right angle. Right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. Each part is known as 1 degree. Right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. Each part is called 1 degree. Each degree then divided into 60 equal parts. Each part is called 1 minute. Students, each minute then further divided into 60 equal parts. Each part is called 1 second. Listen, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, which is equal to 1 degree is equal to 60 times of 1 minute. Therefore, 1 minute is equal to 1 degree by 60. This is the 1 minute. 1 minute equal to 1 degree by 60. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. First point. But second, sir, here 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 1 second is equal to 1 minute by 60. Sir, this is equation 1. Equation 2. From these two, from equation 1 and equation 2, students, we get 1 second is equal to 1 minute by 60. Instead of 1 minute, you should write 1 degree by 60. That's why here 1 degree by 60 divided by 60 divided by 60. So here this is the one fraction, another fraction 60 by 1. We know that 1 degree by 60 into this relation reversed, this is 1 by 60, which is equal to 1 degree by 3600. 1 second is equal to 1 second is equal to 1 degree by 3600. So here this is the relation between degrees and minutes, minutes and seconds, seconds and degrees. Students, listen, note. First one, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 1 minute is equal to 1 degree by 60. But 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 1 second is equal to 1 minute by 60. From these two, 1 second is equal to 1 degree divided by 60 into 1 by 60. This is relation between minute, here second and degree, These are most important, this point. Okay. Now we will discuss radian. It is the SI unit of angle. Sir, listen carefully. This is the circle. This is the point. Center of circle O. Point A. This is B. So here from A to B, it rotates from A to B like this. This is the angle, positive angle. This is known as what? Arc length. It is L. Here this part is radius. Radius is R. What is the angle? Listen carefully. Angle is equal to arc length by radius of circle. Angle theta is equal to L by R. L by R. Sir, suppose here this is the large one. Take so this is the large one here. This is a small one. So here to here theta is there. Large one also there. Like this. That means please all of you. Sir, here this is the arc. Arc. Radius is small r. Length is L. Here also arc is there. Radius is suppose here 2r. Length of arc 2l. Sir, this is 3r radius. 3r radius. Arc length 3l. But here angle in all cases theta is equal to L by r, 2l by 2r, 3l by 3r. That's why here, so here the angle is remain same. So the radius is increases, arc length also increases. Radius increases, arc length increases. So no problem, sir. But as here continuation, as L is equal to small r, arc length is equal to radius, then theta is equal to L by R. R is nothing but L. That's why here L cancel. Theta equal to 1 degree or 1 radian? Radian. 1 radian. That's why here listen students. So here as arc length is equal to radius of circle, radius, then angle is equal to 1 radian, theta equal to 1 radian. So is it clear? Write it all of you. I want the conversion of degrees into radian. Conversion of degrees into radian. Please students, here 180 degrees is equal to pi radian. 180 degrees equal to pi radian. Degrees is the CGS unit of angle. Radian is the SI unit of angle. So here 180 degrees equal to pi radian. Okay sir. 180 we can written as 180 degrees we can written as 180 times of each degree, 1 degree, which is equal to pi radian. Pi radian. Sir, here 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Pi by 180 radian. Okay. Then next one is sir, here 180 degrees is equal to pi radian. Okay. Then 180 degrees is equal to, this is the conversion, degrees into radian. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. 180 degrees equal to pi radian. That's why it can written as pi into 1 radian. Therefore, sir, 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees by pi. 180 degrees by pi. Yes, sir. But 1 minute equal to 1 degree by 60. This is the relation between minutes and degrees. I want 1 minute in terms of radian. That's why here 1 degree is nothing but pi by here 1 degree is nothing but pi by 180 radian. Pi by 180 radian divided by, students, divided by 60. Here listen carefully, pi by 180 divided by 60. In denominator of 60 is 1. Here, listen students, pi by 180, already we studied this one. Pi by 180, reverse this one, 1 by 60. This is radian. 1 minute is equal to, 1 minute is equal to pi by 180 into 1 by 60 radian. 1 by 60 radian. Yeah, this is third point. Fourth one. Sir, here 1 second is equal to how many radians? 1 second is equal to 1 degree by 3600. 3600. Sir, here 1 degree is nothing but pi by 180 radian. That's why here pi by 180 into 1 by 3600 radian. So SI unit of angle is radian. That's why here 1 minute in degrees this much. 1 minute is equal to pi by 180 into 1 by 60 radian. Then 1 second is equal to how many radians? It is SI unit. So radian is SI unit. That's why here we have to convert degrees into radian, minutes into radian, seconds into radian. Is it clear? Right, all of you. Okay. Sir, please all of you listen this. Okay. Students, we know that 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. It is clear? No problem. I want 2 degrees value in terms of radian. 2 degrees is nothing but 2 times 2 into 1 degree, which is equal to 2 into 1 degree is pi by 180 radian, which is equal to pi by 1's 90s. That's why pi by 90 radian. Students, next 30 degrees in terms of radian. 30 into 1 degree. 30 into pi by 180, which is equal to 31's 36. That's why this is pi by 6 radian. Okay. The next one, 45 degrees. 45 into 1 degree, which is equal to, sir. So here 45 into pi by 180, which is equal to, then pi by 4 radian. Sir, here 60 degrees. 60 into 1 degree. So 60 into pi by 180, which is equal to pi by 3 radian. Pi by 3 radian. Then students, 90 degrees. 90 into pi by 180. Pi by 180. This is 1 degree, no? Which is equal to 90 into pi by 180, which is equal to 90. So 1's 2's pi by 2 radian. Pi by 2 radian. Then next one is 180 degrees. 180 into 1 degree. Sir, 180 into pi by 180, which is equal to pi radian. Therefore here, next one is 360 degrees. 360 degrees. 360 into 1 degree. 360 into, students, pi by 180, which is equal to 2 pi, 2 times the pi. That's why 2 pi radian. Sir, here 50 degrees. 50 degrees. 50 into 1 degree. 50 into 1 degree, pi by 180. 0, 0 cancel, 5 pi by 8 radian. So here this is the conversion of degrees into radian. Degrees into radian. Suppose 15 degrees. 15 degrees. 15 into 1 degree. Na? 15 into 1 degree, pi by 180, which is equal to pi by 12 radian. Radian. Students, next trigonometrical functions. Trigonometrical functions. Trigonometrical functions. Let us consider right angle triangle A, B, C. This is the right angle A, B, C. This is the theta. So here theta is here. What about this? Opposite side. AB is adjacent side. AC is hypotenuse. Students, AB adjacent side, BC opposite side, AC hypotenuse. What is the trigonometrical ratios? Trigonometrical ratio sin theta first one. Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side BC by hypotenuse AC. This by this. So here second one cos theta. Cos theta base by hypotenuse. Base is nothing but adjacent side. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Students, this is AB by AC. Then next one is tan theta. Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side this, adjacent side this. That is BC by AB. Up to this, okay, right. So next one, reciprocal of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cosecant theta, hypotenuse by opposite side. Therefore, cosecant theta into sin theta is equal to 1. Then next one is reciprocal of cos theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. We know that cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse. Sir, here hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Therefore, student, secant theta into cos theta. This take into, that's one. Then student, next one, reciprocal of tan theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. Which is equal to, so tan theta opposite side by adjacent. That's why it is adjacent side. Divided by adjacent side divided by opposite side. Therefore, cot theta into tan theta equal to 1. Equal to 1. Okay, write it. Next, students, the values of trigonometrical ratios. Values of trigonometrical ratios. Trigonometrical ratios. 0 degree, 30, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, then 90 degrees. Enough. 90 degrees. Sine, cos, tan. Sine 0, 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 90, 1. Cos 0, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. And 0, 1 by root 3. So 1 root 3 undefined. Undefined. So here sine, cos, tan values 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. You should remember everyone. So here this is the table. After that, most important thing, listen carefully. You should remember this. Sine 0, 0 sir. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 90, 1. Cos 90, 0. Tan 90, undefined. Undefined. Okay? Listen. Students, quadrant. Quadrants. Listen. X-axis, negative x-axis, y-axis, negative y-axis. Okay. First quadrant, second, third, fourth. Here this is the first quadrant, second, third, fourth. Okay. So here this is 0 to 90 degrees, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. Suppose here 45 degrees, 45 degrees first coordinate, 150 second coordinate, 315 fourth coordinate, 225 third. Okay. What is sine? Sine 225 degrees. I want. Okay. Listen carefully. Here one technique is there. All silver tea cups. All silver tea cups. All means sine, cos, tan and its reciprocal is positive. Silver, sine and its reciprocal is positive. Rest of it negative. Here T, tan and its reciprocal is positive. Rest of it negative. Comes. Cos and its reciprocal is positive. Rest of it is negative. Listen carefully. Sir, here first coordinate. First coordinate. This is the first region. Suppose here, listen carefully. Sir, 90 degrees minus theta or 360 degrees plus theta. First coordinate means this is 90 degrees plus theta or 180 degrees minus theta. This is 180 degrees plus theta or 270 degrees minus theta. What about the sir? 270 degrees plus theta or 360 degrees minus theta. Listen carefully. Sir, first one is sine of 90 degrees minus theta. Which coordinate? Which quadrant? First sine positive, cos positive, tan also positive and its reciprocal also positive. That's why sine of 90 minus theta equal to plus positive. Okay, what is the sine of 90 minus theta? Here this is 90 minus theta or 270 minus theta. That's why here it is sine comes cos theta. Sir, next one sir. Cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta plus sine theta. Simple logic. Then next one is, sir, tan of 90 minus theta plus, it is positive, plus cot theta. Cot theta. But for this, sir, here 360 plus theta also first quadrant. So that's why here number one sine of 360 degrees plus theta. Here 360 or 180, it is sine, comes sine. It is first coordinate positive, pakka positive. That's why here sine theta. Sine. Second one is cos of 360 degrees plus theta, which is equal to sine 360. That's why here cos comes cos. Then sine comes cos. Sine. That's why your cos of 360 plus theta is equal to plus positive cos theta. Then sir, third one is tan of 360 degrees plus theta is equal to plus tan theta. So here this is the first coordinate. Suppose for example, sine of 390 degrees. Sine of 390 degrees. We can written as sine of 360 degrees plus 30 degrees. 360, like this is theta, which is equal to 360 plus theta. Sine of 360 plus theta plus sine 30, which is equal to sine 30, we know that. Sine 30, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Yes. Write it all of you. First coordinate is over. Students, next one is second. Second quadrant. Here which is positive? Sine and its reciprocal. Sir, first one is sine of 90 degrees plus theta. 90 or 270. It is sine, comes cos. It is which coordinate? Second coordinate. Second coordinate, sine positive or negative? Positive. First write positive. First, right? Positive. Then cos theta. Sir, second one is cos of 90 plus theta, sir. So here cos negative, second coordinate, minus r. Here cos of 90 plus theta. Here 90 is there. That's why here cos comes sin theta. So third one is tan of 90 degrees plus theta, which is equal to, it is also negative, 90 cot theta. But number one, sine of, sir, 180 degrees minus theta, sir. Sine of 180 degrees minus theta. 180 is there. That's why your second coordinate sine positive, pakka positive. Here 180 or 360 sine. That's why your sine theta. Right, sir? Second one, cos of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. Sir, 180. Okay, here second coordinate, cos negative. 180 is there. This is the cos. Here also cos theta. Then third one is, sir, cos of tan of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. Then your answer is minus r. Because here sine and its reciprocal. Reciprocal means cosecant theta is positive. Remaining rest of it is negative. That's why minus. Here 180 tan. Clear? For example, cos 120. Cos 120 is equal to, cos 120 we can written as cos of 90 plus 30 degrees. 90 plus 30 degrees. Like, so this, like cos of 90 plus theta minus sin theta. That's why minus sin 30, which is equal to minus sin 30, 1 by 2. Suppose, sir, cos 120 is over. Sin 120 your answer, sir. Sin 120. Sin 120 we can written as sin of 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. So here this is the second coordinate. So that's why 90 plus theta, sin of 90 plus second coordinate positive plus. So here sin comes cos 30. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Yes, write it. Can you solve third and fourth? So then homework is only fourth. I will explain third also. So here listen, students. Here third quadrant. Listen. Third, first, which is positive? Tan and its reciprocal. Tan and cot positive. Rest of it negative. So here sine of 180 degrees plus theta. Sine of 180 degrees plus theta. That's why here it is. This is the third quadrant. That's why negative. Clear? Negative. And here sine 180 degrees. Sine theta. Second one, sir. Cos of 180 degrees plus theta. So here minus cos also negative. 180 cos theta. Then therefore here tan of 180 plus theta, sir. Then your answer plus third quadrant plus 180 tan theta. But here first is sine of 270 degrees minus theta. 270 degrees minus theta. It is also negative. Third coordinate negative. So here 270. That's why cos theta. Then next one is cos of 270 minus theta, which is equal to 270 minus theta is equal to So here minus sine theta. Then next tan of 270 minus theta is equal to plus cot theta. Okay. So here fourth one homework. Which is positive? Cos and its reciprocal secant is positive. Okay. Then students, answer the following. First one, sine 135 degrees. Second one, sine 150 degrees. Cos 225 degrees. Then sine 750 degrees. Tan 315 degrees. So I want answer from this. Listen. Sine 135. 135 degrees, which coordinate? Which? Second. Okay, sir. Sine of 90 plus 45. 135 we can written as 90 plus 45. So here this is which quadrant? Second, positive, okay, positive. Then sine of 90 plus theta. Here 90 is there cos 45. Which is equal to, sir? Which is equal to plus cos 45 1 by root 2. Is it clear? Right, sir. Then here this is also second quadrant. Sine of 90 plus what? 90 plus 60, which is equal to, here sine second coordinate positive, okay, 90 comes cos 60, which is equal to plus cos 60 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, clear, which is equal to, then what? Here cos of 225 degrees, 0 to 90 first, 90 to 180 second, 180 to 270 third. So that's why 225. 225 is the third coordinate. Cos of 180 degrees plus remaining is 45, which is equal to negative, pakka negative, because here third coordinate, negative. So here minus, here 180 is there cos 45, which is equal to minus 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2. Then students, next one is sine 750, sine of 2 into 360, 2 into 360, remaining is 30 degrees. Suppose here, sir, 360 plus 30, sine 30. So here 2 times also same relation. It is the n is, suppose here n into 360 plus remaining. That's why we get the relation, here. Your answer is sine plus or minus, plus sine 30 degrees plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Students, this is which coordinate? Which coordinate? Which? Third, fourth, fifth? Which one? That is fourth. In fourth coordinate, tan is negative or positive? Negative. We can written as here 270 plus 45 degrees, which is equal to minus, okay sir, minus. Here 270 degrees. That's why here 270, that's why cot 45 is equal to minus 1. Tan 45, cot 45 will be same. So which is equal to this. So here this expression, all of you listen, sine of 750 degrees, which is equal to sine of, first write 360, the remaining is 390. 390. So here this is a 360, like this is a theta, which is equal to sine plus only sine 390. Sine 390 again we can written as sine of 360 degrees plus 30 degrees. This is the first coordinate. So here positive. That's why here 360. That's why plus sine theta. Theta means 30 degrees. Sine theta. Sine 30 is plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Is that?